On 14th December, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, PRESTONE, TYNSONG, briefed media persons on the recent developments in issues concerning the state. Deputy Chief Minister PRESTONE TYNSONG had given a feedback on the issue of Sweeper's Lane in Shillong, wherein he stated that certain responsibilities have been allotted to the Urban Affairs Department as well as the Shillong Municipal Board on the relocation of government staff to temporary quarters allotted to them.
The issue of relocation, now we have already entrusted to Urban Affairs as well as to Shillong Municipal Board to do the needful. What needful is that? One, instruction has been given to Shillong Municipal Board to shift their temporary office from that Beaver Road, shift to another temporary building because repairing work has been completed. And once that is shifted, then they need to immediately go for repairing of those quarters, and thereafter shift those employees who stays or who settle down in that Yomolong to a proper place. So this is the instruction given to Shillong Municipal Board through the Urban Affairs Department. And number two, those employees who stays there in different department, again we have written a letter very clearly to all the department. Please shift your employees to your campus or to any other places wherever possible, so that area, since government has taken over possession of that plot, because Urban Affairs Department has to start designing or redeveloping of that particular place.
On road development, the Deputy Chief Minister stated that the central government has allotted 1,250 kilometers through the PMGSY scheme for road upgradation and repairs across the state of Meghalaya.
Happy to inform the citizens of the state, Government of India has already given us the target for this current financial year, about not less than 1,250 kilometers of PMGSY throughout the state. And few blocks, in fact few projects they have already, in fact few roads they have already approved, they have already included in the priority list. And I've asked my chief engineers and then my secretary, PUD, and all the engineers to start preparing the DPR. 1,250 kilometers. It is not a joke. Meghalaya, a small state like us, 1,250 kilometers means it helps us a lot. It will really benefit the citizens of the state if we are able to complete 1,250 upgradation or improvement of the existing roads.
While speaking on road projects in the state, PRESTONE TYNSONG informed that till date there are 10 road projects and 2 bridge projects that would be soon implemented by the Public Works Department in Meghalaya.
So I just wanted to name these projects for the information of citizens of the state. One is upgradation improvement of Bajengdoba, Resubelpara, Mendipathar, Damra Road. Number two, upgradation improvement of Agya, Mendipathar, Phulbari, Tura Road. Number three, upgradation improvement of Dalu Bakmara Road. And next, upgradation improvement of Dingpaso Road. Next is upgradation improvement of Laikor Pomlakarai Laiklungkot Road. Upgradation improvement of Umling Pathar Khma Road. Upgradation improvement of Rongjeng Mangsang Adokre Road. Upgradation improvement of Pasi Karampani Road. Upgradation improvement of Mau Maram Maulendep Road. upgradation improvement of Rongrangri Darugri Road, construction of missing bridge over River Umut on Jongsha Karang Dingling Road, construction of bridge over River Damling at Chidaret connecting Thapa Bajar. So these were the projects.
On the issue of inner line permit, the Deputy Chief Minister reiterated the fact that the matter cannot be resolved in a day, but it needs careful examination and approach. It needs to be placed before the concerned ministry before a final notification is issued by the central government to the state government of Meghalaya, informed the Deputy Chief Minister.
Nakatakat daw mo piba kat kabdon shu na do way back to 2000 outside 2020. Oh no, 19. From 2019. Anray nga YouTube la dakadon makanaro ngingap le isya ke government of India for notification. Namar play kalalom kala namar hangi klem implement jute. Kan post nem ju ko bagi klem implement. Again it has to go to the government of India, and then government of India has again to bring in the parliament. Mende bakabsyo om mere notification. ILP also will allow part at pasal juga. So kadeban relate through a proper channel from the Home Ministry. Again, it will go to the Parliament. Then passed nang ta notification mereka. Kalau dah